In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your TradingView subscription. If you've decided that it's time to move on from TradingView, or perhaps just need a break from the platform, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure it's as seamless as possible. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website. Just type in tradingview.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll be taken straight to their homepage. Here, you'll need to log into your account if you aren't already. Look for the login button in the top right corner and input your credentials to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You'll find your profile icon, which is typically represented by a circular silhouette, also in the top right corner. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, you want to select Settings and Billing. It's important to make sure you're on this page because it holds all the account management tools you'll need. Once you're in the Settings and Billing section, you'll immediately see a series of tabs. These tabs help categorize various account-related features. Look for the tab labeled Subscriptions and click on it. This tab is dedicated to detailing everything related to any subscriptions you currently have with TradingView. It's essentially the control center for your subscription preferences and modifications. Now that you're on the Subscriptions page, you'll see a list of all active subscriptions associated with your account. Here, you want to ensure that you focus on the subscription you wish to cancel. Look carefully underneath the subscription details for an option that says Cancel or Manage Subscription. Clicking this will commence the cancellation process. Following your click, TradingView might prompt you to confirm your decision to cancel or offer alternatives, such as downgrading your plan rather than cancelling outright. If you're sure about cancelling, look for the confirmation prompt and follow the instructions. Some sites ask for feedback or a reason for cancellation, so be prepared to provide that if requested. Once you've confirmed cancellation, you should receive a notification, either on the website or via email, confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep this confirmation as a reference in case there are any billing discrepancies in the future. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the cancellation process. Remember, you can always resubscribe if you decide to return to TradingView in the future. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below.